And welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we will not be working on the motor. We will be working on our fuel pump here. We're installing the Walbro 255, and I'm just going to tell you guys what you need. It's snowing outside, so I have to turn my heater on, and I don't want to be talking while this propane heater is like blasting. You guys won't be able to hear me. And also, I have already, I haven't installed this yet. We're gonna do a video on that. I'm missing my drill stuff. Decided to take a shit on me, or crap on me. Excuse my language. So I need to install this. We'll do a whole separate video for that. So stay tuned for that for sure. And then I do have my fuel pump and stuff I need to connect. We have our flywheel with our ARP studs here. And then we'll also need to do a video on our W58 when we install this. I'm gonna change our bell housing. And yeah, let me show you guys. It's snowing real nice out here. Look at that. This is Supra. Can't even see anything. Yo, what? Yeah, it's snow. I got my drink right there. Yeah, you already know. Okay, so basically I'm gonna tell you guys what you're gonna need here. When you're installing this, you're gonna need a 8M and a 7M socket to remove these two bolts here. They're two different sizes, a heads up. This is the 7, this is the 8 back here. And then just unclamp the hose. And also you're gonna need to bend back this little bracket, because it's gonna be like this when you guys remove yours, like that. You're gonna just bend it back so you can get access to it, to your bolt, to remove this off. And you should have everything when you get your fuel pump. I ordered mine from Drift Motion. So looks like that. It's really simple to connect or to install, and you guys will see here in a second. You should get your little butt connectors, your new hose. This is already new, thank God, as you can tell. But you know, we're gonna upgrade because we're boosting. And then you have your little connector that goes, rubber little thing, I think, to sit down here. And of course your new filter, brand new. Yes sir. And then the connector, when you guys are connecting this, it's a heads up. Remember that your pump is gonna sit like so, right? And make sure you see how your connection is gonna connect into here, because last thing you wanna do is cut this and have it pointed down the wrong way when it needs to actually connect like so, all right? So keep that in mind. So you can tell it goes in like so and not like this. So don't connect it like this and kind of have to redo your whole thing. And also, this is, you guys should already know, black is always going to usually be negative and positive, and don't let the green kind of throw you off, but this will be your positive and your negative is right there, black. So when you do, when you're connecting this, you should just cut right around here, or however high you want to cut it, and then use the butt connectors that came with it. And this is heat shrink. So once you get it on, when you heat shrink it down, go ahead and also clamp it for, you know, extra insurance. Just don't like heat it up and leave it like that, all right? And basically that's it really. It's not all that complicated to do this. So I'm gonna set you guys up. It's really cold, so I actually have to turn that back on. I didn't want to like make the video and you guys just not hearing anything I'm saying whatsoever. So I'll set you guys up and I'll show you without fast forwarding anything, so you can kind of see real time what I am doing. So this should help you guys a lot. And let me know if you guys want to see me install this the whole tank into the Supra or not. I'm not sure if anybody wants to see that. But yeah, let me know and I'll definitely install this on there. So, but for now, I'm going to set you guys up. Motor is looking good. We're almost there. And let's get this pump on here. so that's how you install a fuel pump. Same thing with the AEM. When I installed my AEM fuel pump, it was the same way I had to do it. Make sure you clamp this really good when you guys do install it. Try to remember that. Remember, positive, red goes to green, black goes to black, okay? And I actually couldn't use this hose because I forgot that the OEM fuel pump is actually bigger, but not just that, longer, just a little bit than Walbro. So keep that in mind, because if you want to use the OEM one, or if you got a brand new one like I did and you want to keep using that, it's shorter than the hose that it comes with, okay? I had to even cut it down just so that the little rubber cushion that it sits on is flush to the metal. Because if you try to use it with this one, it's going to be like all the way up here, and this is just going to fall off. So keep that in mind. And since we got that installed, when you put in back your fuel pump hanger, remember that this little bracket right here came off right here. So that's how you, come on, focus, there we go. That's how you know how to place it back or how it goes. So it's gonna basically be like something like that. And kind of just, let me get this in there. Cool. I gotta like get this actually in there. Gotta watch my hose connection here. So, bam, it's in, and as you can tell, so this will line up like so, because this goes over it, okay? Go over it, and you're just gonna rotate that. There it goes. And all your holes, in a second, if I can find it, there we go. One there. All of them should line up, and so should that. You guys can kind of see. So that's how it's gonna go. That's how it's gonna line up. And I'm not bolting this down yet. I'm gonna try to tape those up later. But that's about it. That's how you guys will install it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And also the little screws that go in here are gonna be hold on. It's gonna be a 7M socket to remove them and reinstall them back or bolt them back down, okay? So I hope this little video helped you guys out. I didn't really try to fast forward through everything too much, but it's pretty simple. Make sure you have your butt connectors, your little cutting tool, and let me take this. I take this back out. Actually, yeah, I need to take. Actually, no, wait here. This filter right here on your pump, there should be a little washer that goes. Oh, let me see if focus it. There's a little washer. You see this little metal part that keeps this from popping off. On the pump I got, if you guys are going to run the same one, it's going to be similar to this, but really small. I had to use this is a 4M socket, right? So this opening right here goes right, let me show you guys. This focuses, goes right in there like so, right? And what I had to do was use this socket to push that little washer on to lock it in place. Like, you're not gonna be able to do it with your hands, just a heads up. I had to force it just like so, okay? So that's it. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care, be safe, enjoy your day.